Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to redirect URLs in WordPress. So before you start, I have to notify you that in order to access all features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs $40. No, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow and listen to my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to complete this task and redirect URL in WordPress in no time. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to use a plugin. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account's credentials. Once in your account's dashboard, go in the left sidebar and click on plugins right here. Select plugins. Right here. And install a plugin like redirections. Type in redirection and search for it. Now, like I said before, plugins installation requires a paid subscription, so make sure you paid for the subscription and click on upgrade and activate and follow the prompts, and you're gonna be able to install and add the plugin. Now, after you add the plugin, enter the source URL. This means the old URL, and target URL in the new URL. After that, save the changes. The second step is to edit the .htaccess file. For advanced users, go to File Manager and then public/html and edit the .htaccess file and add a code. You can look it up on Google. And for the third step, host a control panel. Many hosting providers offer built-in redirection tools, so check your cPanel or hosting dashboard for this option. Now, for additional tips, test redirects to ensure they work correctly, and use 301 redirects for permanent changes to preserve SEO rankings. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.